Bali travel vlog.
Hello guys.
Welcome back to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in Kuta Bali on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street, just keep stay in touch. Check it out.
Check it out.
Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, we are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street, exactly at the front Kuta beach. Okay guys, so far in video we see some tourists, they are doing shopping in this area. That's just really good, isn't it? Okay, let's see together how busy Raya Legian Street today. In this video, I make video around 13 minutes without skip video because I want to show you how the real station at the moment in Kuta area on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street. Right side? Yes, some tourists in restaurant and also some tourists on the footpath. Also left side. Yes, some tourists they hire motorbike. Right side? Also some tourists walk around on the footpath. It is quite busy in this area, isn't it? That's just really good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Because this channel is about update situation in Bali and also tourism update. Left side, another tourist, they want to cross the street. Yeah, today Raya Legian Street, it is quite busy, isn't it? Even the traffic so quiet, but I'm really happy because we can see tourists, they are walk around on the footpath and also they are doing shopping in this area. You see right side and left side? Yeah, it is just quite busy in this area. Okay guys, I hope this video will give you an information about the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Raya Legian Street, also on Pantai Kuta Street. And yesterday I already updated the situation at the moment on Kartika Plaza Street, Bakung Sari Street and also Wanasegara Street. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, make sure you find video down this video. You see left side, there was some shop are closed in this area. That's just very sad. I hope together in this area all the shop will be open very soon. Left side, some tourists in the restaurant and also on the footpath. Yeah, now we are exactly in ground zero. Did you see that? Just few tourists on the sidewalk. Right side, Poppy's Land too. Yeah, also looks so busy down there. Okay guys, let's continue driving on Raya Legian Street. And make sure watching the video until the end because in this video, I will make video until the end of Pantai Kuta Street before Melasti Street. Just exactly at the front Kuta beach. You see left side? Paddy's Pub. Also Bounty Apache down there. Busy during the night time. Okay guys, let's continue driving on Raya Legian Street and enjoy the nature atmosphere from this area. So this is the situation at the moment on Raya Legian Street. So what do you think? Yeah, it is quite busy, isn't it? There is a lot of tourists walk around on the footpath, and also they are doing shopping and they are spend the time in the restaurant. Okay guys, if I turn left at the front, there is the way to go to Denpasar, Sanur and also Nusa Dua. But now I will turn right because I will update how the situation at the moment on Pantai Kita Street until the end on Pantai Kita Street before Melati Street. Yeah, now we are on Pantai Kita Street. Let's see together how busy Pantai Kita Street today. You see left side? Yeah, few tourists at the front mini mart. Also left side, they are walk around on the footpath. Yeah, step by step in this area also getting busier and busier. There is more tourists stay in this area. They're just really good because behind the shop there is some hotel right there. I hope you will know exactly where we are at the moment because Pantai Kita Street also the most famous street in Kuta Bali. Almost all people know this area. Yeah, left side was tourists. They are doing shopping down there and walk around on the footpath. Just quite busy, isn't it? Left side restaurant. Some tourists there. Yeah, but restaurant still look very quiet down there. Right side, some tourists walk around on the footpath. They're just really good. Also left side, there is temporary market down there. Okay guys, let's continue driving on Pantai Kita Street until at the front Kuta Beach. Just make sure watching the video until the end if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Pantai Kita Street or in Kuta area. And also enjoy the nature sound from this area. You see right side and left side? Yes, some tourists walk around on the footpath. And also at the front, there is the main gate to go to Kuta Beach. Looks so big gate, isn't it? Okay guys, let's continue driving on Pantai Kita Street at the front Pantai Kita or Kuta Beach. And also enjoy the nature atmosphere from this area. See at the front right side? Yeah, some tourists walk around on the footpath. If I turn right, there is the way to go to Poppies Land 1. And I already updated the situation at the moment in Poppies Land 1 a month ago. So you can find video down this video. And I hope very soon I will update the situation at the moment in Poppies Land 1 and Poppies Land 2. Okay? Kuta Sea View right side and some car parking at the front right there. At the front of the hotel. Looks so busy down there. They're just really good. And at the front right side, there is the way to go to the Poppies Land too. Yeah, looks so busy down there. And all the shops look open down there. They're just good. Okay guys, you see at the front right side? Yeah, there is pick up zone and drop zone transportation to go to the Beachwalk Mall and also hotel behind Beachwalk Mall. Looks so busy down there, isn't it? They're just really good. Yeah, so many tourists down there. And let's see together how busy exactly at the main street to go to Beachwalk Mall today. Left side, also a few tourists walk around on the footpath. Just quite busy in this area, isn't it? I hope this video will bring you back memories when you are ever been stay in this area, or maybe you ever been drive around in this area, because Pantai Kita Street is first Legian Street, because exactly at the front Kuta Beach. You see right side at the front? Yeah, there is the main gate to go to Beachwalk Mall. Not so busy, but some tourists down there. Yeah, it is not so busy. Usually in this area busy during the sunset time or in the afternoon. But I'm really happy because there is a lot of tourists walk around on the footpath, and also they are just been out from Beachwalk Mall. That's just really good, isn't it? Looks so busy down there. Okay guys, let's continue driving on Pantai Kita Street and enjoy the atmosphere from this area. See left side? Yeah, there is so many car parking beside the street. It means like there is a lot of tourists. They are going to the beach or Kuta Beach. Yeah, I'm really happy because even in the morning there was so many tourists go to the beach. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Pantai Kita Street at the front Kuta Beach. So what do you think? Yeah, it is also quite busy in this area, isn't it? That's just really good. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Kuta Bali on Raya Legian Street and Pantai Kita Street. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.